I realized that there's a lot I've realized. I've lived for only quarter of a century, and there's so much I've realized. I realized true happiness comes from within. No one can truly make you happy unless you're happy with yourself. I realized it's easier to say I love you than to actually do. I realized blood is not thicker than water. What matters most is who's on your side through the hardest times or when you need them the most. I realized time is really always on the move. It really waits for no man. Every single second counts. Be careful what you do with it. I realized true success is measured by how you help someone else along the way. I realized that Mujolo is not that deep of it. But I also realized true love does exist, though it's hard to find. But don't waste time trying to find it. It comes when it's time. I realized education is not the only key to success. Because success has different locks, so it depends on which one you're trying to access. I realized we don't only live once, we live every day, and every day comes with new and different opportunities. However, I realized we only die once, and no one really knows when it comes, but I hope we lived before it does. I realized truly as a man thinks, so he becomes. Like if you really meditate upon something and work towards it, you're definitely gonna achieve it. If you tell yourself you're a failure, that's what you'll be. Be careful what you think. I realized positive affirmations is the first step to positive change. Just like I said, what you think is what you become. I realized other people's opinions don't really matter after all. What matters is what you think about yourself. I realized the best drugs are already inside your body. Through self-love, meditation, and exercise, you can reach your greatest high. I realized those you love the most can die at any time. I'm sorry, but yeah. So whatever happens right now, just keep showing love. It might be the last. I realized words are powerful. Be careful what you say to others. Words can kill faster than a 9mm pistol. It goes back again to words you tell yourself too. Some words can be suicidal. I realized dreams do come true if you flip them into goals and be determined to achieve them. I realized sometimes you really need a psychological therapist. It doesn't help to bottle up pain inside. I realized no man is an island. Don't be afraid to ask for help in hand, and don't be stingy to give one too. I realized God really answers prayers. Don't ever think He's not listening. I realized failure is a win sometimes. My best lessons in life came through trying and failing and trying again. So I realized you should never be afraid to fail. Be afraid of not trying at all. I realize you attract what you are. It's probably one of the universal laws. Same thing as show me your friends and I'll tell you what you are. I realize that association and company is really important. Don't be too arrogant to think that you can't be affected by what you surround yourself with. I realize there's nothing you can do. You are created in the image of the Almighty God. You are an almighty human being. So through faith, there's really nothing you can do. I realized life is a blessing. For the longest time, I just couldn't wait to die, while I could have been grateful for the breath I just had. I realized there's so much to realize. So don't live life in a rush. Take your time and realize.
Ampa Pa Swan. Ampa Pa Swan.
I realized that this is an accident.